Tired of clunky, unprofessional signatures ruining your digital documents? Today, we're diving into Photoshop to expertly remove those pesky backgrounds and create seamless signatures in under 90 seconds. First, open your signature image in Photoshop. Next, grab the quick selection tool from the toolbar. It looks like a paintbrush with a selection circle. Carefully click and drag over the signature to select it. Don't worry if the selection isn't perfect, we'll refine it soon. Now, click the Select and Mask button in the options bar at the top. This opens a dedicated workspace for refining selections. In the Select and Mask workspace, use the Refine Edge Brush tool. It looks like a paintbrush with hair. To paint along the edges of the signature. This helps to soften and clean up any jagged or blurry areas. Adjust the smooth, feather, and contrast sliders to fine-tune the edges. Experiment to find the settings that work best for your signature. In the output settings, make sure output 2 is set to layer mask, then click OK. This creates a layer mask that hides the background. In the layers panel, you'll see your signature layer with a white rectangle next to it. That's the layer mask. To further refine the signature's brightness and contrast, add a levels adjustment layer above the signature layer. Adjust the black, white, and gray input sliders in the levels panel to make the signature darker and the background completely transparent. Play around with these until you achieve the desired result. And there you have it, a clean, professional signature with a transparent background, ready to be used in all your digital documents and designs. Don't forget to save your signature as a PNG file to preserve the transparency. Like and subscribe for more quick Photoshop tutorials.